Let's look at a few quick tips on how to properly use and maintain the ammo up machines for picking up brass. Our first tip is how to turn the unit. On concrete, you always want to turn by lifting up the blue drum off the ground and turning on the front small wheels. This is also how you want to back up with these machines. Using the two front wheels will keep the tines from prematurely wearing down. On grass and dirt, we recommend the opposite. Make sure you turn on the blue drums. Second tip is to keep moving the ammo up forward. If you do back it up on the blue drum, it will cause you some extra work, and as you see here, to get all those fingers back down. Tip 3. If using the ammo up in the sand, make sure you rinse your machine often, and you can even give the basket a little shake to let the sand fall out. Also, please store your unit out of direct sunlight. If you get a piece of brass stuck between the fingers, use the ejection tool to wedge it out. This is the perfect size to reach down in there, and it keeps your hands from touching the brass. If your blue drum seems to be loose and maybe not working as efficiently, check the tightness of the drum. If it is loose, grab two 7/16 socket wrenches. Tighten the right side of both the front and the back lock nut. Use the second wrench to hold the left lock nut still as you tighten the right lock nut. If you want to grab the brass on the edges of your indoor range, look for the side sweepers in our accessory page. If you're picking up brass outside and want the blue tines to get deeper in the grass and sand, check out our weight brackets. These weigh down the unit for a better pickup. These are also located on the accessory page. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.